Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the wireless power share feature on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. To begin with, go to Settings. On this page, scroll down till you find Battery and Device Care. Tap on it. Here, tap on the battery. Here is the option Wireless Power Sharing. Toggle on this switch to use the phone as a wireless charger. Here, we can set the battery limit. Currently, it is 30%, which means it will stop charging other devices once the battery level drops to 30% or below. You can change this limit by tapping on it and set your preferred limit. Now, let us test this feature with a Samsung phone and iPhone. This is the part which is going to charge other devices. So, let me place my Galaxy S22 Ultra here. As you can see, it is charging. You can also use this feature even when the phone is closed. You will see Ready Charge on the cover screen. And when it starts charging, it will show Sharing. Here on both phones, I am using the Samsung official cases. Now let me check this feature on iPhone 13 with Spigen case. Galaxy Z Flip 4 started charging iPhone 13 wirelessly. That's it for this video on how to use wireless power share feature on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Thank you for watching this video. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to the channel.